So hello viewers, in this lesson we will learn about sampling in time domain. Sampling in time domain, it is x s of t is equal to xc of t, it is equal to xc of t multiplied, because in time domain we multiply, in time domain with multiply into delta of t, it is multiplied. If I tell you the value of delta t, it is n is equal to minus infinity to infinity, n is equal to minus infinity to infinity delta of t minus n t. Okay, now we will see what plot says. This is our first plot. It says xc t. This is your xct. Now if we want to make delta of t here, it is like something here. It is like something here. You have a gap of t. It is delta. It is your delta of t. It is your delta of t. You have to make the signal samples. It is minus t. I say it is minus t. It is 0. It is t. It is 2t. Then 3t. And afterwards we get 4t. Afterward we will get a 4t here. Now when this you have to make a red signal. Now this, when we multiplied with these both signals, we multiply with both signals here, we get a shape something like this. This is your x of n, and we have n here. Okay, now this was a graphical way. Now we will do some mathematics here. As I have already told you the formula, it was x of s. I am writing it again. X of s is equal to xc of t delta of t. Now I have told you that the value of delta of t was delta of t minus nt. Now x of s, it is equal to xct n is equal to minus infinity. I will write it with a red one. N is equal to minus infinity to infinity delta of t minus nt. Total signal we will get like xst is equal to n is equal to minus n is equal to minus infinity to infinity xc nt delta of t minus nt. You have to practice these types of question. You can also do from ChatGPT, because sometimes in paper you will be asked question like explain this process. So in terms of x of n, now I will write x of n is equal to, now k is equal to minus infinity to infinity, k is equal to minus infinity to infinity k is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of k delta of n minus k. Sorry for that. So these are the two relations you will get in the end. I suggest you to do these types of questions, and as in paper you can get asked sampling in time. When this was xst xct to delta of t was delta of t minus nt, xc was this signal, this was our xct signal, and this was a delta t. You multiplied, you get these types of figure. If you see this point, this is xc of 0, xc of, this is your xc of 0, and this would be your xc of 40. This is your xc of 40. Then I have told you this formula, just substitute this value and multiply it. This will become xc nt, and in terms of n, x of n, you will get these types of equation.